Here's Jerry. Fucking turn! Jerry, turn! You're the best thing to watch. Just hurls down.
Oh no, it's gone. No, it's not.
What are these two up to? Where's Christina? I've got that. Woo! Beth! Fucking hell, I thought you were going to hit me.
Oh, I fell over on that bit. You said, come on baby, come this way.
Oh, sorry.